Hey everyone, today I'm checking out something seriously cool. The world's first transformable, AI-powered mini microphone. It's called the BOYA Magic, and it's designed for creators like me who want great audio without carrying a whole bag of gear. I don't have a massive channel yet, but I still want my content to sound professional, and this little mic packs a ton of value. So what makes the BOYA Magic special? It's transformable. That means this one little mic works in 4 different forms: clip on, handheld, desktop, and camera mounted. No extra equipment, no switching between big bulky mics, just one compact device that can do it all. And when I say compact, I mean marker size portability. It literally fits in a pencil case or a pocket. So I just switched to the clip-on microphone, and as you could hear, there's a big difference. So let me walk you through the 4 forms. The clip-on, perfect for quick vlogs, walking around, or doing hands-free videos. At 7 grams, you barely feel it. Handheld, great for interviews or when you want to control your mic distance. There's even a button on the grip that controls the transmitter inside the case, which is a very nice touch. Desktop, perfect for live streaming, Zoom calls, or just recording at a desk. It basically becomes a mini broadcasting mic. It's camera mounted. It snaps right onto the cold shoe mount for shooting on the go. Super stable and neat. Switching between these forms is so quick. There's no fumbling with multiple devices. Just transform it and keep rolling. Now let's talk sound. This mic has AI-powered noise cancellation that cuts background noise by up to 40 decibels. I tested it in a noisy cafe and it still gave me clean audio without that muffled over processed sound some mics have. It also has a safety limiter and safety track, which basically means it protects your audio from peaking or distorting if you get too loud. That's a lifesaver if you're shooting live content. As someone who doesn't have a huge production crew, I love that this one mic saves me from buying multiple ones. Normally, you need to have a clip-on lav mic, a handheld, a desktop condenser, and a camera-mounted shotgun mic. That's hundreds of dollars in gear, plus extra weight to carry around. But with BOYA Magic, it's really just one device, and I really like that it comes with a little charging case. It feels like opening a gadget that's ready to go anytime. Let's say it's a busy day creating content. In the morning, I'm filming a vlog. Clip-on mode. Afternoon, I'm doing a quick street interview. I switched to my handheld. In the evening, I'm live streaming from my desk. I switched to desktop mode. Nighttime, I mount it to my camera for a product B-roll shoot. End of the day, it pops back into the case, charges, and it's ready to go tomorrow. No extra setup, no tangled wires. The BOYA Magic comes in a few versions, starting around $90 up to $130, depending on what receivers you need. Type-C, Lightning, or camera. Even at the highest price, it's still cheaper than buying all the separate mics. So if you're a content creator, vlogger, podcaster, or even just someone who wants audio for online meetings, one mic, 4 forms, marker size portability, and seriously, it makes creating content way less stressful. This has been my hands-on with BOYA Magic, the world's first transformable AI-powered mini microphone. If you want to see more, check out their page. And let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.